Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? Houston here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you that just found the channel, welcome, and also don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Now, this video is going to be very exciting because some of you guys are going to be getting free cars. That's right, it's no fluff. Actually, a lot of you guys will be getting free cars. Now, let me explain to you. If you ever had a car loan through Santander, okay, what happened is they just finished out a $550 million lawsuit, okay? And so what that means is that this here will cover a lot of people that have done business with Santander and that got their car loans and stuff through Santander. A lot of you all will have the deficiency amount. Those are going to be waived, okay? Those are going to be waived. Now, here's the thing about the free car. If you had a recent default, or you had been in default on your car loan, okay, and they have not repossessed your car, well, Santander has $45 million, okay, that they have to write off. So that means that if you defaulted on your car with Santander Bank and got a car loan through them, and you defaulted, but they had not repossessed your car, then that's part of that $45 million. That's how you're going to get a free car. Now, again, for those of you that had a Santander loan and you went into default on that car loan, again, they're going to be waiving the deficiency if you no longer have the car. So it also helps with the repossession of you, helps you to remove the repossession off of your credit as well. Because when they waive the deficiency amount, say that they did repossess your car, then they sold it to somebody else and they had you making payments on the balance, or it's on your credit and stuff, then because they have to waive that, you no longer owe the car. So you'll be clear of that, which it has to come off of your credit report. All right? Now, again, for those of you that had defaulted on your car, okay, and you still have the vehicle, this here settlement, which is up to $45 million, people up to $45 million, they have to actually just tell people to keep the cars. So you will be getting title on those cars. So also in terms of the settlement, you may want to look out, because some of you all may also be getting a check in the mail. So this is going to be happening in 33 states, okay, where they issue car loan, plus DC, District of Columbia. So I hope that this is good news to some of you all that have been dealing with Santander and been dealing with the repossession process and everything. And those of you, again, that's just finding the YouTube channel, welcome, because like I said, I post videos like this to help the community, and I think something like this is a very big help for the community, because a lot of people, here's what happened. They targeted people in the community that had real bad credit, and they put them into high interest loans, okay? So they intentionally knew that you had a 70% chance of default. Because they knew that you had a higher chance of default, and when you default, they take back the loan, they take back the car, and then you still stuck with the loan. That's the reason they got into this. Now, again, they just cleared the $550 million, okay, of auto loan defaults that they have to deal with. And 45 of it, for those that are defaulted but still have their cars, you all will be keeping your cars. So I hope this is good news for some of you all. Again, if you want to learn more about restoring your personal credit, or you have questions about setting up your business, or just questions about removing the repossession off your credit, then check out 3-Way Funding by clicking the link below. Thank you.